What's up, y'all? It's NetworkBret with another one, and today I'm talking about when the open with shortcut doesn't work on Windows 11. So, let's say you have a project. I have this preset project type thing I open in Visual Studio Code, and on Windows 11, they like to make things a little more complicated. So, I go to show more options. There's an open in terminal, but there is not an open with um, Visual Code. So, what you can do if you just open it with the PowerShell terminal is just code period, and that's going to open it with that. So these are my files, index, script, style. So the usual stuff you'd use for a typical web project, and it'd be convenient if you could just open it with Visual Code. So, while this is not the most convenient, it almost doesn't get more convenient. So, if you open PowerShell code period, that is the shortcut to open it with Visual Code or whatever the studio thing's called. And furthermore, if you have something else that you want to open with, you can sometimes use the file type or link type and set a default. So here I'm kind of looking. The problem is Windows doesn't consider a folder a file. A folder is a directory, so you can't really change the shortcut as far as I know. So if you were using Linux or Unix, everything's a file, even a directory is a file. So I think you could make the default, but I don't think Linux would have this annoying problem to begin with of Windows just getting rid of something that's very useful for essentially no reason. That's just exactly the type of thing that Windows does. So what you can do, and the problem here is if you don't install the VS Code right, then it's not going to work right. So you have to accept it, as you see I'm doing in this video, and these are the two toggle buttons that are very important. You have the open with code, so it can open. If you right click, it'll have that option. Now this is where it gets a little bit silly. So you install it, everything's good, and it adds the open with shortcut. The problem here is when you hit show more options and then you have to go to open with code, I mean, it's almost not any faster. The fact that it doesn't prop up in the beginning, I'm not sure how to fix that problem. So when you're comparing time it takes to open it with the code thing in PowerShell, just code dot period, or I mean code period, versus opening it with this where you have to go to explore more options, I mean, you're really hardly saving any time. So it's annoying. I don't know if this is exactly what you wanted, but this is the best solutions I could find out. So these are the best solutions I could find out. So it is what it is. Windows 11, I'm not a big fan. I'll say that.